Baby nawe ufisa kanje ikamera. Welendle.
Angiphathe kahle.
Naye angiphathe kahle lo mama mfundisweni.
Awu, mina. Mbuzeni. Sikona umphathe we.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Bantu benhliziyo yami. Nolwazi mfana. Ayibo kwacela iswazi lento namhlanje la. Nenzani? Nendani lapha eSwatini? Nendani?
Okay.
Thani ngifundise nanto bese sakadlamini.
Okay, ocaphe wasiwa kaDlamini.
My mom is.
Mama kokankosi kan. Baby didn't tell me this.
You never asked.
OkaDlamini.
Mara wena why ungazi mama mzalo wakho uthiwa?
Mnazi mama wasiwa.
Well, she's married kwaSingwane, but anginothi Nkosi Dlamini.
Dabo kahle.
Basini.
Dabula Dlele. Nkosi Dlamini. Dabo kahle.
Kusasa lokukhuluma
Kanibentini manje. Bashini kakhulu. Kangisho uthini mpela?
Nkosi Dlamini. Wena wekunene. Slip ladlele sakalobamba.
Nangu phela. Nangu silubaladlele kalobamba.
Samget lesihle. Samget lesihle.
Samgeti lesihle. Okay, Nkosi Dlamini Dabukadlele. You're what kind of a teacher nihleka nayo?
Awufundiseki shem.
Nkosi Dlamini Dabukadlele.
Na wena wekunene.
Oh, Nkosi Dlamini wena wekunene. Dabukadlele.
Hey, I tried. Okay, samget lesihle ke.
Samgeti lesihle.
Ngambi. Ngibonile lesinembovane. Yeah. Lesinembovane kumalangeni.
Lesinembodla kamalangeni.
Baby, yaw. Okay, futsa la ke.
Samgeti lesinembodla.
Futsa.
Oh, lesinembovana. Kumlangeni. Ngibani umlangeni?
So puta lokuningi ngiyazi ngangikwazi.
Oh, skamketi.
Athi ngiyahleka mina ngiyalusuka. Okay, hlubu lomuhle umlangeni.
Hlubu lobuhle.
Hlubu lomuhle.
Hlubi.
Hlubu lomuhle.
Hlubu lomuhle emlangeni. Oh, hlubu lomuhle kamlangeni.
Yeke.
Bewona umthishela unjani
I'm literally like not even 30 centimeters away from you. You should be hearing me kahle. Mara wena usho opposite ngikusho umuzi.
But baby Swati muzolesi nawe uyasizwa nawe. Muhlapha nohlomuzwe.
But hayi uzamile akakazamini next.
Bombovana.
Yo.
Sakasingwane Stini.
Singwane. Okay, man, let's try this one time. Take it to the young kumbuta. Hlubulo muhle umlangeni. Lesithi isibadla sibe sibadlublisa.
Lesithi isibadla sibadlublisa.
Okay, foods again instead.
Oh, hlubulo muhle emlangeni lesithi sibapha sibe sibadlubulisa. Benibadlubulisani yini bapha? Benibapani?
That because it's actually PG-18.
Bebe ningikhulumisa inhlamba.
Akusinhlamba.
Yini lento?
Okay. Saka singane. Kwazela. Hayi mina ngisathi singadeleza.
Mara ngikhumbula uncle the time siyolobola ekhaya. Yabo ebekamemeza kakhulu kwazela egedini. Kwazela.
Ukhumbula leyo. Nami ngisathi singadeleza kithi nje. Beta mkhaya wami lapho Mrs. Mango. Awu mkhaya, awu. Mbani mamshingo.
Mbani?
Mamshingo. Awu. Sawubona lamavuso. Yeah, sesiphelele.
Awuchaje.
Hayi ke
singona usazi. Kwazela. Dabula amadlulu.
Yebo musho sinadeleza baba.
Kanti mama Nkosi. Anizothula lapha anibuze nombuzo nifuna ukubuza bese ke siyalala.
Ngizengilambile.
Buzani umbuzo nifuna ukubuza bakwethu nayi platform siyayivula. Kude mbuto lenifuna kubuta. Why ungafuni ngikhuluma Swati?
Ngoba you butchered the Swati.
Yini butcher?
Ngesimosha.
Hawu.
Ngisizo sakho ngisikhuluma kanje.
Ngicela i-word of the night. Bakwethu yabona makhuluma ngumuntu oshaya ama-word kakhulu eyimba kwethu. Buzani nje mhlampe ningakubuza in terms of relationship, in terms of life. And mangabe mhlampe kunento ofuna ukuyibuza nangu umkami la.
Ngiyabuza mina nje.
Yeah, if there's something that you need to ask, you may ask.
Hayi word of the day.
Not word of the day. Thomas.
Yeah. Stupid. Udala ngejesu.
Angalali ngirelaxile.
Ngithandeze lapho. Trust. Sithandaze. Before siba live.
Hayi asambe babe.
Mina ngiyadla yana.
Bazosuka basibuze bathi sigcokele. I-end. Love you guys. Thank you.
Sicela ningahambi.
Anibuze.
Kodwa nithulile nje la.
Nithulile nje yazi awkward date.
Siloku nje sinibheke emehlweni nanti nisibheke emehlweni.
Hawu yazi ku-awkward ku-tense. Ithuba elingaka. Ngcono kulala. That's why ngithi ayiphele bebe. La ngilimala.
Umatweni.
Ngizwa ngathi kubuhlungu bebe.
Ulibatweni.
Angazi.
Khona si hi nilala nini? Misiceda ukukhuluma nani?
Siyolala.
Mara mningodla kucala bebe ngilala. Yes.
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 Mrs. Mango mhlaka-1. Ngiyolobolwa manje angazi ukuthi ungasiza ngani khona ngithuki. Uthi uzwa yini?
Yeah, like that's a right question for a right person.
Uthi uzwa yini? Angithi uyamthanda wena lo mfana.
Very my advice. So
Uthi uzwa yini? Ngiyadlala shame. But I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you, Nkosi yami. Uthi ulotsholwa nini? Mhlaka-1. Hawu.
1 nini?
1 August, sure. Siyabonga bakithi.
Ungamadvice uthini njengoba athukile Nkosi yami? Ngoba nawe wawuthukile.
Mina, I was more stressed than ukuthuka. I knew what I was getting myself into. And I was sure this person loves me. So
Shothi kuyenzeka uthuke lokho ukuthi noma mhlawumbe ukuthuka nokuba stressed.
Nokuba stressed. Mina ngangi-stressed ukuthi ngangi-stressed nje ukuthi I just wanted everything to be perfect. But ukuthi kanjani cha ngangingathukile because I knew ukuthi what I'm getting myself into. I said that, and then I'm stressed, like serious.
Wena stressed.
It's okay to be stressed.
Not worried.
It's okay to be stressed, but manje it depends on what are you stressed about. I mean, I was stressed because I wanted, I'm a perfectionist.
Sure.
I wanted everything to be the way that I want, and it became the way that I want. But but if you are stressed because of utuswa being married, the question is, are you ready?
Okay, ngiyakuzwa ke lapho. Ngikuzwa impela ke lapho. Whereby umuntu awumthembi.
Yes.
Kunama red flag, kunezinto that you avoided. So now usuyobopha ufindo silahlana. And now, which means now you're gonna face the real person.
Exactly. So
yena mhlambe worried ngalokuthi things are not hlanganing in terms of decor.
Ngithi mina if it's stressing ngalokho
then it's fine.
It's okay to be stressed ngalokho.
Nanguthi yes, I'm ready.
Okay. But if you're stressed about the person you're getting married to, ukuthi hey angangigili,
then it's a big one.
Then we are wondering ukuthi
so kuleyo stress uni-overcome njani?
Until kudlula ilanga, that's the only thing that can relieve you from stress, se-decor, stress, se-local outfits and stuff. But once you see things ukuthi seziyahlangana, ukuthi okay, my dress, mina-ke ngacala, I think the first thing that made it made me see what okay, it's actually happening.
Sure.
Was when I got my show Lebale Becoming. I was like, okay.
For the moment you call
no, me.
or like we odd.
Yes, me told. I was like, okay,
it's happening.
It's happening, and then kanjalo.
Okay.
So
khona umbuza ngibona ngani ukuthi
akasakuthandi
umuntu akasakuthandi. Okokuqala nje umuntu uma engakuthandi, abe mase uyangiveza.